Hi, my name is Intexo. I'm the co-president of 1K Global Peace Campaign Organizing Committee. We are organizing the 1K Global Concert in Philippines to promote Korea unification in Philippines. So I think probably you know the situation of Korea. The division is not done by Korean people. It was forced division in 1945 after the Japanese colonial time was ended. As you know, the Cold War started in right after the World War II. So Soviet Union, U.S. So two big power conflict over the Korean Peninsula, and Korea was divided by the international conflict at the time. Korea unification is our destiny, our problem. So we have to take initiative more. The concert we have was the Psy, CN Blue, Shiny, B2B, B1A4, and BAP, and AOA. 7 groups are beautiful, and the top class of K-pop idol groups are coming to Manila. So I think you have to give your excitement to the viewers. Korea is such a difficult situation right now, so we need your support. Please join our campaign, join our concert. Thank you so much.